अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। वंस अगेन वी आर हियर विद अनदर व्लॉग। आज के सीन जो है वो कुछ इस तरीके के हैं कि फ्रेशर वीक स्टार्ट हो रहा है भाई। तो आज जो है वो फर्स्ट डे है फ्रेशर वीक का यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर। लेट्स सी हाउ मेट गोस, क्योंकि मेरा भी पहली मरतबा है। सितंबर में मैंने खुद ने भी अटेंड नहीं करे थे वो, और आज भी कुछ खास अटेंड करने का मूड नहीं था। बस एक मीटिंग के लिए जाना था, 2 मीटिंग्स है बेसिकली, तो फॉर्मर टीचर्स के साथ। तो इस वजह से हमने कहा हम इसको भी अटेंड कर लेते हैं। एंड अपार्ट ऑफ दैट मौसम जो है बहुत अच्छा है, वरना कल रात को बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही थी, बहुत तेज़ बारिश, और आई थिंक कंटिन्यूसली तकरीबन 3-4 घंटे तक चल रही थी वो। अच्छा जी, हमने जाते हुए जो है थोड़े से 1-2 काम हो ज़रा निपटाते हुए जाना है यहाँ से, और फिर पहुँचेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी। और वहाँ के क्या मामला हैं और क्या सीन चल रहे हैं और आज के क्या है। बाकी उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैर आफियत से होंगे। और एक रिक्वेस्ट थी, बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो वीडियोस वगैरह देखते हैं पर उन्होंने चैनल को जो है सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा हुआ, तो काइंडली रिक्वेस्ट समझ के अगर आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और फेसबुक के चैनल को क्या कहते हैं फॉलो कर लें, और इंस्टाग्राम पे हमें फॉलो कर लें, तो इंशाल्लाह फर्दर अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहेंगी। और इसके साथ अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर हो एकेडमिक के और यहाँ के हवाले से, तो जस्ट लेट मी नो। इंशाल्लाह आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट टू गिव यू आंसर फॉर सच थिंग्स। अच्छा जी, सीन को जिस तरीके से काम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हो चुका है, अब हम जो है वो यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ बढ़ेंगे और उसकी खूबसूरती। Okay, here we have a domino. Could you please let us know what was the reason of domino here in the university?
Right, so we are doing Freshers Fair. We're doing Freshers Fair. So every year we get new students coming in the university, and as a Domino's sponsor, we are the main sponsor for the Freshers Fair. Giving away some free pizzas to the students, and we've also got a free offer for Spin the Wheel, where students can spin the wheel and they've got chances to win free pizzas, side orders, and not many other things. We've got free pizzas here, we're giving away free slices, you can see. And we're giving away some bags, which has got special offer for students. Come with me, I'll show you some spin the wheel. So the students here have to scan the QR code, and they have to download the pass on their phone, so it stays with them. They spin the wheel, and when they spin the wheel, whatever you're going to win, large pizza, you get credited on your pass on the phone, and that stays with you. You can redeem it in the store whenever you want, online as well.
Perfect, thank you. Is there any job opportunity as well?
Yes, there's plenty of job opportunities in Domino's. We've got 3 Domino's in Huddersfield, and we're looking for talented students who've got experience. Even the newcomers, fresh, they come, they start part-time with us, working with us, and we got a lot of opportunities for them as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
अच्छा जी, सीन ये है कि फ्री आइसक्रीम मिल रही है यहाँ पे, बारिश की वजह से पूरा इवेंट इनका हो गया बर्बाद। Okay, जी, here we have the Taha Bhai. Taha Bhai will gonna let us know about what is the Fresher Week, what we do in the Fresher Week. Is it okay if you share your past experience as well?
Yeah, I mean, hello everyone. I am Taha. I'm the president of Huddersfield Student Union, and I'm gonna guide you through what Welcome Week is and how we welcome our new students. And I've been a student over here as well, so I've got that experience where I used to go on all these events, and now I'm a part of organizing these events. So basically today is the first day of our welcome week, and we've got a welcome fair going on. In the welcome fair, we usually have our sports clubs and societies in our sports hall having a table each where they have got their QR codes and everything. So basically when the new students are coming in the sports hall, they're guiding them about what their society does, or or if it is about a sports club, then they're telling about how they can join a sports club and things like that. While also there are well-being services over there. There are there's a commercial side to it as well. So we've got Domino's down there giving free pizza out. We've got a main stage at the back side where you can listen to live music, different performances, and then we are also guiding our students further on about how our week is going to be and what events they can engage in.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Taha bhai. Over to you. You will gonna introduce the entire event, what's going on, and we're gonna cover the entire event with you.
Yeah,
Is it okay?
No
Okay,
problem.
perfect.
Hello everyone, I'm Amit and I'm your Equalities Officer. So this week is going to be the Welcome Festival. Here you can find out more about the societies and different sports clubs. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you to support us and to cover all of the stuff going on in the Welcome Week, and I hope you to see you soon.
Okay, here we have at the town hall, which is the sports hall. Come with me, have a look on it.
Hi everyone, so I'm Rohit Narayan and I'm the Activities Officer with the Students' Union. I did my Bachelor's in Mechanical Engineering and now I'm the Officer for the Students' Union. I would like to welcome all of you to our university, and if you have got any questions about your campus life, please do visit us in Floor 5 Student Central, and thank you for this opportunity.
President, and hopefully you will enjoy this year with a lot of events, and you will get to know more about the Sudanese culture, hopefully, inshallah. Thank you for my brother here.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Ashim and I'm the President of South Asian Society. So basically what we aim to do is to combine all of the different societies and bring them under one flag. Whether it be Bangladesh, Pakistan, India or Kashmir. Our aim is to bring everyone under one flag. And this is our South Asian Society. You can come and talk to me about anything you want. If you have any questions about it, you can come and talk to me, and you can DM me on Instagram as you South Asian Society Huddersfield. Thank you.
Okay, ji, this is all about the Fresher Week of Huddersfield University, in which we have multiple of stalls. We have the different societies, sports club, academic societies, and the town, what we say that the commercial societies as well, in which Domino's, Doner Kebab and blah 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 blah. So apart of it, just to conclude that कि आज के जो फ्रेशर वीक था उसके अंदर यही सब कुछ था, और इसी तरीके से एक्टिविटीज़ है जो तकरीबन रात तक चलती ही रहती हैं। यहाँ की एक्टिविटीज़ तो ख़त्म हो जाएंगी शाम में 5 बजे तक, बट इसके बाद टाउन की स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। और फर्दर कंक्लूजन के लिए हमारे पास स्टूडेंट यूनियन के जो है प्रेसिडेंट मौजूद हैं, जो 23-24 के प्रेसिडेंट हैं। ओवर टू यू ताहा भाई, और आपके आखिरी अल्फाजों के साथ इसको हम ख़त्म करेंगे इंशाल्लाह।
It's just the first day, as I was telling earlier, and it's just starting now. As it has been good and busy. As Monas bhai was just saying, that there's going to be some events. There are going to be some events in the evening as well, which are, I think, more lean on towards the home students. But we do have a good balance of events for home students as well as for the international ones. Like we have got a global campus tea party coming up in 2 days, where you can get tea, coffee, or you can have cake, and you can meet people from different cultural backgrounds. And we've got a live music as well, and things like that. So I'll recommend, if you're new over here, just enjoy your time. Just try to interact with more people, get to know them, expose yourself to different cultures, because at the end of the day, if you're an international student, you're over here to learn about things, and I think that will benefit you in the longer run for your communication skills as well as for networking. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tawai. Here, I would just conclude that this is about this vlog of Fresher Week. So this is the first day of Fresher Week. Inshallah, we will gonna meet some other activities in the university, or it would be in the ISC. I'm gonna share with you. I have to just request you one thing. If you are new in the channel, so subscribe that, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. If you have any query about the university or any question about the academic or something like that, just drop me a message. So I'll try my level best to answer you on such questions by the professionals. And thank you so much for watching this, and kindly please share this with your loved ones and family members. And okay, that's all. Thank you so much. We will meet inshallah in another vlog. Till then, very good, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.